Hey everybody, and welcome to the first week of Unit 5. I'm so excited! Unit 5 is always my favorite unit because I love getting to see what you guys come up with. I mean, it's your opportunity to let your creativity and passions soar, and I'm excited to see what you guys will make. I am also a little bit anxious because we are doing this digitally, which means that it's really, really, really important that you guys are checking the weekly agenda and staying on top of this project because it is what we're going to be doing for the rest of the semester. As such, you want to make sure that you are pacing yourself and working bit by bit and that you don't overload your plate and that you don't procrastinate. If you do, it's going to make this final project very, very difficult for you when it should be something really enjoyable and fun and something to help celebrate the conclusion of our composition class together. So here's what we're doing this week. The first thing you are going to do is you guys are going to watch the Intro to Unit 5 Student Choice Overview video. It is 15 minutes. You guys need to watch it in full. It goes over very important elements of this final project. So that's your job for day one. Day two is you guys are going to decide what you want your project option to be. You are going to find that list, as I will show you in that Unit 1 overview video here in the modules. You will see it right there. Unit 5 Writing Project Choices and Options. When you click on that, it's going to go through all of the different project options you have. I also want to point out these different parts of the module. This is where your overview video is housed. This is about time management and an overview of the final unit. Again, this is where your project choices are housed. Here are some guides for some of the project options that are the most popular options. And then here are some past student examples to help get you started. So in our first week unit agenda, again, like I said, it's so important that you watch that video first. Those of you who have Zoom meetings with me, we're going to be talking about the final project and choices. Periods 5 and 8, you guys are going to be choosing your topic. You guys are going to be choosing your topic in the discussion board part 1. Then you guys are going to have a little bit of time to sort of like outline, plan, look through examples, read through those different guides that I showed you in the module, etc. It's your chance to sort of digest now that you've picked your topic, to explore, to find examples online, etc. And then at the end of the week, you guys are going to finish the Unit 5 project option discussion board. So it's got 2 parts. Part 1 is due here. Part 2 is due here, and that's it. Really, this week is all about choosing your final project option and then sort of planning and outlining your project. Next week, it's time to start writing. All right, guys, that's it. Good luck, and I'll see you in Zoom sessions with questions.